What are the challenges?
Major challenges will be handling a proper manpower, creating a right type of blends and right type of product which will be suitable for the international market, and increasing the volumes and handling those volumes. That will be the additional challenge to our existing capacities, though we are not going to actually going into some new product, because most of the products already being manufactured by us are time tested, already available in the market. So only we are going to do a higher scalability. So chances of failure on all these fronts looks pretty low, and we are confident about increasing our capacities comfortably.
How much is the repeat business?
Almost 100% is the repeat business.
And what is the order book position?
We have order book almost for next 4.5 months, but in terms of rupees, you say it will be in the range of around 20 to 22 crore rupees.
How many new clients you have added in last 2 years?
We have internationally we have added close to 13 new clients, and domestically we could not add many of the clients because of the utilization. Our capacities were constrained. Still we have added something like 4 clients domestically also. Presently our main constraint is on the capacity side, not on the marketing side. So post expansion, our major focus will be additionally adding the clients.
Do you get a premium for your products against your competitors?
Yes, we do get a premium vis-a-vis our competitor in both domestic as well as international markets.
How do you look at the opportunity?
We feel this is one of the best time to enter into this particular field. This is one of the most and the quickest growing field. If you see most of the international polymer reports like CMAI or the reports like Fredonia, India is rated as one of the largest growth potentials for polymer processing globally. The growth of the polymer industry in Asia Pacific is also one of the largest in the world. Rather, I will say that there is a negative growth in Europe or American polymer processing industry, and entire growth is getting or entire production bases are getting shifted to India. So this is one of the finest time to come into this field.
How you are using the concept of value addition in your product?
It's very important to use the concept of value addition, as it's very valid and important question. What we try to do is we try to give a customer a basic and the best range of products available depending on his need as well as his tomographic requirement. We offer him the levels. We have a complete facility where we procure the polymer chips or granules and do the product up to the end use segment. So the complete chain of value addition is available to us. Most of our products are sold directly to the end user customers. So the entire value addition chain is absorbed by the company itself.